Every year on August 8th, your social media fills up with glowing captions about cosmic energy portals. I'm not going to give you that today. I'm going to give you the actual reasons, astronomical, historical, and psychological, why this specific day is genuinely worth 10 minutes of quiet reflection. What actually happening in the sky on August 8th? Around August 8 every year, the star Sirius, the brightest star in our night sky, after the sun becomes visible again just before sunrise, after being hidden behind the sun's glare for about 70 days. From Earth's point of view, the Sun, Earth, and Sirius form a rough alignment around this time of year, while the Sun itself is passing through the constellation Leo. That's the entire origin of the name Lion's Gate. Leo the lion plus Sirius rising. It's a real astronomical event, just not a supernatural one. In 2026, Jupiter, the planet of growth and expansion, is also traveling through Leo, a rare placement that only happens roughly once every 12 years. And on this exact day, Mercury shifts from Cancer into Leo, moving communication from a private, emotional mode into a more direct, confident one. So, if today feels like a shift from processing quietly to ready to speak up, that's not a coincidence. It's the sky matching the mood. Repeating numbers like 11, 33, 88, 11, 11 act as what psychologists call temporal landmarks. Our brains use memorable dates to mentally separate the old me from a new chapter, the same way New Year's Day or a birthday does. This is well documented in behavioral science. It is called the fresh start effect. August 8 roughly sits close to the two-third mark of the calendar year. This is a natural checkpoint, far enough from January that your New Year's goals have been tested by real life, but early enough to still adjust course before the year ends. Vague worry lives in your head as a loop. The moment you put it into a sentence or paper, you are forced to name it clearly. Research on expressive writing shows that just 10 to 15 minutes of honest writing measurably reduces stress and mental clutter. Because 8-8 is memorable, you are far more likely to actually return to what you wrote today, next month, or next year than if you did journal on an ordinary date you will forget. So, what to actually write tonight? Simply answer three plain questions in your journal. Number one, what am I ready to stop carrying? One habit, grudge, or worry. Number two, what is one thing I want to say more confidently starting now? Tie this to the Mercury into Leo shift, speaking up instead of saying quiet. Number three, if I check this page again in December, what do I want to have done by then? Keep it under 15 minutes. This isn't about performing self reflection for an audience, it's about giving your own brain a clear, dated market to return to. August 8 is not magic, it's a real astronomical event, a historical meaningful date, and well timed psychological checkpoint. Three solid reasons on their own, no cosmic energy required. So tonight, don't just repost a quote about the Lion's Gate, open a notebook and actually use it. Thanks for watching.